In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join in a class on Google Classroom. You basically go to Google Chrome, as you all know, and then do not sign in into your G Suite account yet, because if you do, look what happens. So I'm going to go to Google, and then I'm just going to sign in, right? And then I'm just going to sign in into my G Suite account, right? And then I just want to go to ps230.org, and then you want to go to the homework website, which is going to 5th grade. Then go to 504, 505, 506. Look what happens. It's not allowed. So you need to sign out first. So click on your account, then click on sign out. Now refresh the page. If you have something like this going on, then go back again to PS230 5th grade. Click on 504, 505, 506. Now you're in the homework website. Go to Homework at a Glance. Now it will show up a document. Now you have to go to your way to the codes. So I'm in class 504, so I'm going to copy this. To do that, if you're on Windows, like I am, you do Control-C. Or if you're on Apple, you do Command-C. Now go back to Google, click on sign in, click on your account and sign in already. Then you go to the Google Waffle, also known as Google Apps. You go to Classroom, and you click on the plus button, which it says join class. Now if you're on Apple, you should do Command V, and if you're on Windows, you should do Control V. Now click on join, and then you are in your classroom. And that's all the tutorial.